In this video, we'll delve into the fundamental principles of manipulation and its profound connection to influencing attraction. By understanding the psychological underpinnings of manipulation, we can gain insight into how it impacts attraction. We'll explore the intricate relationship between manipulation and attraction, shedding light on the cognitive and emotional processes at play. From the subtle nuances of human behavior to the deeper psychological triggers, we'll uncover the mechanisms through which manipulation influences attraction, offering valuable insights into human interaction and relationships. In this segment, we'll explore the fascinating realm of psychological triggers and their profound impact on influencing attraction. By delving into the intricacies of psychological triggers, we can uncover their potential in manipulation. We'll dissect the various types of triggers, from emotional to cognitive, and elucidate their role in shaping attraction. Understanding how these triggers can be harnessed in manipulation offers profound insights into human behavior and relationship dynamics, providing valuable knowledge for navigating the complexities of attraction and interpersonal influence. This segment delves into the pivotal role of body language and nonverbal cues in manipulation and attraction. We'll uncover the significance of body language in shaping and influencing attraction, shedding light on its effective utilization. By exploring the nuances of nonverbal communication, we gain insights into how it shapes perceptions and influences attraction. Understanding the powerful impact of body language offers valuable knowledge for navigating the intricate dynamics of manipulation and attraction, providing a deeper understanding of the subtle yet impactful cues that shape human interaction and relationships. This segment delves into the profound significance of emotional connections in the realm of manipulation and attraction. We'll explore the pivotal role of authentic emotional connections in influencing attraction and relationships, highlighting strategies for their cultivation. Moreover, we'll examine how these emotional connections can be tactfully manipulated to influence attraction. Understanding the dynamics of emotional connections offers invaluable insights into the complexities of human interaction, and the ethically sound ways in which emotional connections can be nurtured and leveraged to influence attraction. In this segment, we'll explore the captivating concept of creating desirable perceptions and its profound impact on attraction. By examining the techniques for shaping perceptions and leveraging them in manipulation, we gain insights into how perceptions can be strategically influenced to impact attraction. Understanding the nuances of perception manipulation provides valuable knowledge for navigating the complexities of human interaction and attraction, shedding light on the ethical considerations and potential consequences of shaping perceptions for manipulative purposes. In this crucial segment, we'll address the ethical considerations of manipulation and its impact on attraction. Delving into the importance of ethical behavior in influencing attraction, we'll examine the potential consequences of unethical manipulation tactics. By navigating the complexities of ethical considerations in manipulation and attraction, we gain insights into the fundamental principles of responsible and ethical influence, shedding light on the potential ramifications of unethical behavior in the realm of attraction and relationships.